Hi guys, I'm Akriti. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and are keeping safe. So, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my recent shopping from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale that happened from 24th to 28th of November 2021. So, without any further ado, let's get started. To begin with, I had purchased the lip balm, which is from the Natural Wash. So, this is the lip balm and I'll show you all what's in the inside. So basically it is paraben free and it's organic and Ayurvedic. So this is in the flavor beetroot and I'll just open and show you. So this is how it is and this is the texture. We'll review this after I finish this. So अभी तो दो बार ही यूज़ किया है. अभी तक में तो it has been very nice. Like my lips during the winters are super dry. Like पूरा सहारा desert बन जाते हैं. But this worked for me. Yes. This one retails for about 260 rupees, but I got this from Nykaa at 182 rupees. So next up I'm going to be talking about the toner which I ordered from the same company, that is the Natural Wash, and basically this is a cucumber toner. You can see nice packaging, spray and everything. I don't like those toners, wherein we have to use it by pouring the toner into the cotton ball and just, dabbing it on your face. I just want hassle-free stuff. This is the thing. Before this, I used the Kama Ayurveda rose water and I wanted some change on my skin because I feel the rose water wasn't working for me. So I wanted something, very refreshing, something in peppermint and something that I also applied Biotique's toner, but whenever I applied Biotique's toner, first of all it had that very strong fragrance, like very strong fragrance, and it also irritated my skin like a lot. So I just stopped using halfway through and I just discarded the bottle, and then I opted for the rose water which was from Kama Ayurveda. Again, that was also not seeming to work for me. So I wanted I wanted to try something new. So, and it retails for about 280 rupees, but I got it from the Nykaa sale at 196, which again was a very good deal. So next up I ordered the Forever 52 waterproof ink liner. This is how it looks like. Yes, so this one retails for about 399 rupees and I got it for 351. I'll just show you how it is from the inside. So it has this tip and you can just easily draw, and I used this again just maybe once or twice and it was great. I mean just how I wanted. So yes, this again Forever 52 is making some really good products. Like I have used this, and then again I have used their foundations and everything. So yes, I will again highly recommend Forever 52 waterproof ink liner. So next up I'm going to be talking about the L'Oreal Paris Magic Retouch. This is how it looks, and it's in the shade dark brown, and it also comes in the shade black. And this, my friends, is by far the best product for hair that I've come across. This product retails for about 299 rupees and I got this for 269 rupees, and this was my second purchase from Nykaa. And for all those who do not know, I am an hair artist by profession, and I have used this on my clients, and this product is the best. It's for all those who want that quick fix for your hair problems. I think this is the one. If you have gray hair or you have lost a certain amount of hair from particular places on your scalp and you want to conceal those spots, I think this product is amazing, like amazing. This is in the form of a spray, so you can spray this on the scalp in a spreading manner, and it does not leave any patch behind, does not look like a separate product on your scalp. It just gives a smooth finish. All you have to do is just spray it at the end, and that's it. So I would highly recommend this product to anybody who is looking for a color that you want to use. And if you are heading out for a wedding or any other function, and you suddenly come across a gray hair or something, just spray it and leave. That's it. Yeah. So this product is my recommendation. So next up, I'm going to be talking about the Plum Body Loving Shower Gel in the flavor Hawaiian Rumba. I must tell, I have used this shower gel twice, and the fragrance is enough to take you for a vacation. It has hints of coconut, floral and vanilla. I think very refreshing. मैं तो यूज़ करके ही समझ गई कि भैया मैं तो वेकेशन पे जा चुकी हूँ. This was my first purchase from the Plum, and I am very much satisfied. Like, this bottle is amazing. Like, this is amazing. So this product retails for about 380 rupees, and I got it for 304 rupees. So next up, I'm going to be talking about is the Color Bar Flawless Finish Primer. I haven't used this product, and this was my first purchase from Nykaa, and this one retails for 499, and I got this for 374 rupees. My makeup artist suggested me this product, and also I had read reviews, and they were written and it was written that they're amazing. So I was like, why not give it a shot? So yes, I just purchased this, and I'm going to review this product after I use this. Until then, आपको इंतजार करना पड़ेगा. So the next product is something that I was planning to buy for a very long time and did not, I would say, have the courage. But this time somehow I gathered some and decided to go for this product, which is a menstrual cup, and this one is from the brand Sirona. So this one retails for about 399 rupees, and I got this for 200 rupees. And it also has an intimate wash that came along. This is how it looks. I just wanted to try something that was not pads or tampons, and yeah, I have read great reviews about this product, and I thought, like, why not give it a shot at least. मतलब कुछ तो हो जो pads ना हो. So I will definitely review this product after I use it. And with the menstrual cup, I also ordered the menstrual cup wash, which is from the same brand, Sirona, and this one retails for about 249 rupees, but I got this on sale for 125 rupees. So I haven't used the menstrual cup ever, and maybe after using once or twice I'll just understand how it works, and then I'll leave a review for you guys in my next vlog. Until then, keep watching, stay tuned. I hope you guys liked my Nykaa haul. Just give you honest reviews about the products that I have ordered and not used yet. Until then, keep watching. Thank you so much for all the love, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe my channel.